from your experience of working with three good startups, how
Mhm.
do you uh, can you share any effective techniques or approaches to quickly identify and report critical issues first in a fast-paced cycle?
Got it. Again, okay. I think few things we talked, not all. For this, maybe, yeah, for all the effective techniques and approaches for this, right? So I think maybe like few things which you can also utilize, as an your regression automation suite is one of the thing where you can use it. And obviously, again, using like different set of techniques, what you have, like exploratory testing or risk based testing or behavior BDD uh, testing, right? So you can use like different type of testing techniques to ensure like these are identified beforehand, right? And again, it's just not just using the testing techniques, it's also from the requirement document phase itself, right? From the requirement doc, you can also be part of the requirement discussion, start flagging out the issues where things are not being addressed, right? Because you are the, I think QS are the better, have good understanding of the end-to-end domain knowledge in the company, right? Where at least I have seen, right? Because QAs are the known like exactly how things are dependencies, how it's been dependent on across different services and how it's been connected across end to end, right? I think we are the right folks like who can call out what is exactly covered, not covered in the PRDs, and even on the solutioning docs. I think it's from every phase of it where QA is involved and QA is calling it out. What are the misses on each and everything, right? Maybe it could be the requirement doc, it could be the solutioning, low level or high level design docs, right? And also it could be maybe on before like even coming up with the testing techniques, like what exactly you need to prioritize to for this particular feature, right? And more following like shift left approach, right? Like what exactly like you need to be doing. I think maybe even in test drive conference, like we had a session I think on this, more with some of the speakers as well, right? I think it's more of like following the shift left techniques on this, right? I think this would also bring most of the issues at the early stages rather finding at the end of the maybe end of the sign off cycles, right? You're on mute, Ashutosh. Sorry.
I think makes sense. So I think to all of this, a better understanding of the product in general, the changes which are coming in the cycle,
Yeah.
and being better prepared helps us uh, uh, unearth the critical issues from the as quickly as possible.